So for the second module, we're going to be talking all about pricing models. We will explore different options for pricing, and you will find the best model for you to price. There's a lot of information out there on like you have to do value-based pricing or an hourly rate or by square foot, or you might just follow an example and then you don't feel like you have the right option. And by the end of this chapter, you will be able to choose the perfect pricing model for you. You'll also have a little test that shows you what is the perfect pricing model for you, but we'll have to explore them a little bit first, so let's jump right in. Let's start by understanding what a pricing model is. It's just a method to get your pricing done. This method needs to be communicated to the client because it's easier for them to understand why you're charging this much and how you're charging for your time. It also needs to be a strategic approach for your business. It needs to follow for certain factors such as cost, value provided, market demand, competition, and business objectives. So for the pricing models overview, what we'll be discussing, as you can see, is hourly fee and by area, fixed fee, value-based, percentage, and a hybrid between two or more models during a project. There is also this table which tells you a pro and cons list for each one and what this pricing method is best for. It's nice to get back to this table whenever you need like a little bit more inspiration about the pricing or before you start pricing a project.